Hi and welcome to this video where we are going to analyze the song Madhawu by Alick Macheso. In this song, Alick Macheso provides an insightful rebuke on gossip of any kind. Gossip can be defined as casual conversation about other people, typically involving details which are not confirmed as true or are damaging to the subject. This is why most gossipers will say, please don't tell anyone what I'm about to tell you. In this song, Macheso had a friend he trusted so much, but he didn't realize that the information he was giving this character was going to be used against him. We see this when he says, Anga aripo muvimbiki, wandaivimba naye munazvo mhayi, Kondaizivei kuti, ndirikuzvicheneka. The gossiper often takes the grain of truth and adds onto it damaging lies. We see this when Macheso says, Kusaziva kuti, ndatomupa mavambo. That truth that you tell them is used as an ingredient by the gossiper, who in this case Macheso calls Madhawu, to use to assassinate your character, mainly with the intent to cause harm. In this song, Madhawu has even caused a relationship breakdown with his or her unrestrained gossip. The main goal of this Madhawu character is to destroy. We see this on the line which says, Moyo wofara, atiparadzanisa, which means he is happy when friends are at each other's throats. It is also important to note that saying it as it is cannot be called gossip. It is the additional untruths and the intention to cause harm which makes it a gossip. The lesson we get here is, do not tell someone something that you are not comfortable with if it goes out. Always stand on the truth and not lies. The truth is, everyone will speak about someone at any one time. No doubt about that. We all speak about people. Merely speaking about someone is not gossip. But as Macheso puts it, Ndiyemungeri Madhawu. Here we see that lies and deception are being used by this Madhawu character. So guys, let's kick gossip into the dustbin and let's make friends instead of destroying friendships. Subscribe, like, share, and cheers.